It's lost at least 462 points since Monday. Has it dropped even further today?
Well, although the official figure for the Nigerian All Share Index has not been released by the exchange as a result of the fact that the Director General is having a meeting with stockbrokers. My expectation is that the Nigerian stock market today will record like a depreciation of about 0.1%. And this is based on the fact that today we have 34 gainers on the exchange today, while we also have 34 losers on the exchange. This is pretty better than what we had yesterday, where we had only 24 gainers as against 45 losers. And a look at the price list today showed that Nestle Nigeria PLC topped the gainers chart, gaining 5%. And this was followed by Royal Exchange Nigeria PLC that gained 5% as well, and Unilever Nigeria PLC that gained 4.99%. On the loser side, we saw Vitafoam PLC losing 5%, as well as Intercontinental Bank PLC losing 4.98%, while AP was the third best loser, losing 4.98% as well.
All right, Tajudeen, why is the DG meeting with the stockbrokers?
I think the meeting with the stockbroker is to intimate stockbrokers about development that are likely to take place on the exchange. Given the current trend of the market, there is obviously a need for stockbrokers to be briefed by the Director General of the exchange. And my thinking is that the meeting is focused on how to make the exchange better in terms of how traders trade on the exchange, and as well as give foreign investors an impression that will show that the exchange is pretty open and we are operating on a level of full disclosure.
All right, since Monday, varied stocks have been falling, from petroleum stocks to banking stocks. What's causing the loss on the bourse currently, though?
Please, can you repeat the question?
Why is there a loss on the bourse right now? What's causing the profit taking?
If I get you right, you are asking what the profit taking is about.
No, why is there a loss on the bourse? Why is the bourse still falling on Thursday?
I actually didn't get the question.
All right, let's move on to Equitorial Trust Bank. How can the bank make its capital structures more stable going forward?
Well, the development on Equitorial Trust Bank now is actually that the shareholders have had meeting with the CBN and they came up with an agreement, and the agreement has to do with them ensuring that the bank is well capitalized. To achieve this, they have identified 3 ways of doing this, and that is either by through public offer to rake in more capital into the bank, or to undergo a merger or acquisition, or to identify a core investor that would invest into the bank, so that the capital base of the bank can be increased to a substantial level that will put investors as well as shareholders at some level of reasonable comfort.
All right, Tajudeen, but do you think merger is a way forward for Equitorial Trust Bank?
I think merger is not a bad option, in the sense that we still, if you consider the fact that in Nigeria we still have a number of banks that are pretty strong, and so with that, merging with such strong banks wouldn't be a bad option at all.